enkwataganyeko n'omukyala woman in black. Lilian,
Yes.
according to the weather, ovudde eka nga tulaba nti
smartness doesn't know any weather.
it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay. Obulamu bugamba ki?
Njulungi ate gwe.
Sina tabu.
Omaze n'otuulako nange.
For the first time.
Neze wendi kulwaki tonoonya.
Lilian obula. Ate you know this kind of person akwata amasimu in time. If you find someone is missed call, you don't even bother to call him or her back.
Until sometimes I don't know who's calling me.
But you have your number. You
Yeah,
have
it's so easy to just first send a message. That one, it's easy for someone to know.
Otherwise, obulamu bugamba ki?
Mpola mukama akuma.
How is the situation taking you so far?
Which situation?
You're nice situation ngero omuntu as a human being.
I'm good. I'm grateful. I take every day one day at a time. Simanyi mukama kubanga mberedde mulamu bwange. He's done looks after me. Yeah.
Okay. This time around tukusanze wano ku premium
Liquor.
Like what are you preparing this time round?
We are preparing for a Blue 3 special performance for
Again?
Christmas. Yes. Here at Premium Liquor, so that we can tubayingize bulungi mu festive season near Christmas. Yeah.
This time round, what's so special? Because omuntu kyatabeeranga naga atareceiving okuva mu Bruce Lee kyanjawulo kyeki kyomuliro omulundi guno kigenda okwambaza omuntu engatto kyatalabangako.
I think ebyo byonna kutuukayo kubiraba because tetusobola banyonyola buli kimu kyetugenda okukola, but we're going to have a Christmas, we're going to have, you know, our performances, like solo performances, like it's going to be a fun-packed night. And you could have fans who are so while we are performing. So if you've not even watched Blue 3 in a while, we encourage you to come on the 17th and watch us.
Okay. So people have this mentality in their heads into Blue 3 nga munayo ngeri gye mwayawukanamu ko bwe muti tekiina ngeri embeera yonna gye mwateekawo from each other oba Cindy Kwani or Jackie Chandru katukubona who is boss.
There's no boss here. I think we're all mature women and we know how to communicate.
Don't you think
we all have our ideas, so it's not like one person need boss who are No. What we do is we share ideas and we move with that.
Okay. Let's assume nti waliwo omu ku mwayina gig. Waliwo asobola okuyita munne n'agamba nti
of course tukikola nnyo Cindy waba alina gig her recent concert twajja okumuyibira ku Blue 3 ejjukira. So whoever has a concert and they need us, we show up for each other.
Okay. So Blue 3 has a group mukyali wamu.
Yes, it's a big brand.
Lilian yenga yo kinoomu. Oyinayo ennyimba gwe zogamba nti new release ogamba kati ze ndi mu kuteera abafanzi bange.
Yeah, I've been working on some new music and I think we're going to see a lot of it this coming year. Kubanga it's just about rebranding and creating music because when I listen to the music I'm recording, it's very different since listening to these days. So I'm just trying and I think it's going to be interesting for me. Yeah, but it's coming out.
Okay. Esawa yonna okuva kati.
Sawa yonna bali mu kumixinga kumasteringa.
Oyinamu embeera mu bulamu bwo gy'olaba nti like it's not connecting like it was before.
No, obviously, like being a solo artist and sitera kubeera nnyo mu bantu, so ekyo kyendaba maybe kyenina okukyusa like neyongera okubeera mu faces z'abantu because that's the way they're going to support the new music and even the old songs because waliwo abantu discovering music wange kati this song has been out for all this long. So it's about rebranding, marketing the music better. Yeah.
I'm
just a shy person. Just a shy person. Better Sagala. Like it's I don't know. Better nine soni sijja kuliba. Ensonyi kati zinetera okubeera nga ndi.
Weekweka.
Ate seekweka buli kyo tonsanga ku federation.
Era wenyini nyini federation boss wa federation imabega kawo yavao nalaga nti agenda ku retiring.
Tekisoboka twakatandika butandisi
tuwakyulirako statement eyo tuwajulira
najiwulira naye it's not possible.
Tekisoboka
akatandika butandisi.
Twawulirako nti actually saawa zino ali mu political rallies. Lilian gwe ng'omuntu toli muntu wa bintu ebyo oba batakuyitangako?
Not really. Like I find like it's not about not being in the things, but I would prefer to keep myself away from the political world. Of course, I'll vote when it's time to vote, but I am not going to go and do that. You're gonna have to separate the two.
Neyo oba ekigenda mu maaso okiraba?
Biraba, like anyone else. I follow the news.
Kumune tubadde tumanyimu abayimbi mwenna abali ku that side of federation mugenda mu campaigns mbenga mukuba campaigns.
I think that many of the artists, especially our associations abali up country, they have been getting opportunities okuyimbira ku Mzee. So it's basically for everyone who wants to do it. So kisinzira ku muyimbi as vice president waffe ali mu campaigning in opposition. So it's kisinzira ku muyimbi and what they like. The federation is not for politics, it's for growing musicians across Uganda.
Olwabakiraba political?
Of course they have to. They have to say it like that because at the end of the day the support again Okuvva government. So that's how they would look at it, but it's really not. Like us guys welcome every single musician.
Embiranyi eri wakati egenda maaso kyemmanyi ogira wakati wa Eddie Kenzo ne Bebe Cool. Kuba Bebe Cool tubadde tubiwulira buwulizi mbu so currently Eddie Kenzo yavudde n'agamba nti waliwo abamulwana ebintu bino obiraba?
Yeah, but because I'm not I don't have an opinion about their things. I'm not in their life. So whatever is happening with them, that's their business. I literally don't. Just because I work with Eddie at the federation doesn't mean I'm 24/7. Like I wouldn't know most of those things.
Open, Lilian.
Open. I've seen it, but I can't. I don't know.
It's all about money.
I think it comes down to who they are as people, and they're all big boys. So you have to. So Jankote forget.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's just about their who is who. So it's comes down to.
Oba gokalabanga katalo kali awo tekalina makulu.
Tewali lutalo naye buli omu they want the best for themselves, you know.
Okay, so, Lilian, ononsonyiwa okuzza kino since Mozey Radio kuba bwe yava mu bulamu bw'ensi eno. Embeera yo Sasigala Kyekimu.
Of course, can never be the same. It's the first days were hard. But you know, as we go on like this, you keep healing every day. But it's never gonna be the same.
Oh, I know.
He has missing his children growing up. So it's yeah.
Okuva bwe yava mu bulamu bw'ensi eno wayiseewo bbanga kikati?
Next year ndoza agenda kuwera myaka 8.
Next year 2026. Okay. Mwinawe nteeka kuba munaye abantu bagamba munaye olumbe lw'omusajja terwabizibwanga. Kino mukipulaningira mutya gwe nga mukyala we? Mukipulaningira mutya oba mwakivaako?
I think that one has to do mostly okwogerako ne mama we and most of his family to see how to go about it. Kubanze kati ebintu by'ekika ebimu basibitegeera.
Oli mukyala we?
I don't know. We shall plan it with the family and then we'll be knowing.
Nego tulaba emyaka 8 emyaka 7 byonna mingi.
That's how life goes by so fast like that. So nafe kusinziza ku ngeri ebintu bibadde bitambula. We have to give it a bit of time. People are up and down. So yeah, it's not something that needs to be rushed for.
Ine mabega ka twawulirako mbo omukulu Rebranding yavayo n'amuloosa.
Ebimanyi. Ebyo sijja kulimba buddo mbitegeera.
Ne baba abaana bali mu mbeera ki?
Abaana balungi bakuze. Yeah. Big kids, 15 and 11.
Okay. Kanenga mama y'omulabako owekagga.
Hey, I go there. Ngendayo ne mulabako. Nitwekubirako ne ku masimu, you know, mukeberako from time to time.
Negwe katomubuuza akonti munnaye Olumbe Lwe.
Nja kwogerako naye, nja kuba kubuulira. Nja kuba babuulira. Ibra. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Ibra, for hosting me. Lilian Mbabazi, look out for new music. Mwe bayo supportinga, mwe bayo twagira. Tubagala nnyo mukama bankomere.
Nawe akukuume mama.
And together we are Blue 3, and we are here live at
Premier Liquor.
Yes, and we have a show on the 17th of December. It's going to be
an up-close and personal with Blue 3 Christmas edition.
Don't miss it.
Maestro Band, a Panda Band.
Yeah.
See you guys there. Together performing for our very niche fans. The tickets are very limited, so we encourage you to get them right now. Together our fans who have listened to us and supported us for all these years, and we'll also add something special to do with Christmas.
Because
jingle bells.
Yes, to celebrate Christmas. So today say Christmas edition. So we're going to make it special just for people to celebrate and remember Christmas.
We've always pleaded to have you guys back together as a group. When I'm too young, as the Blue 3s. But your response is always said, "We're gonna put the eye to Japan, like we're going to do in 17."
Yes.
That's why we will be once in a while. We should also expect this is the last time we want to ask this question.
Why is it the last time?
I think is what God has put together.
No man can put a asunder. Yes.
Blue 3 is Blue 3, whether you like it or not.
And then also ekyokuddingana kyekino.
Yes. I don't know what else is there.
Yes, because yes, we are tulikola projects together. But also mukimanyi nti no Jackie alina kyazimbye nga ye, Cindy alina kyazimbye nga ye, ne Lilian azimbye kiki. I don't think kiri fair okuba nti buli omu ava ku kyetuzimbye mu ne tukola kino. And yet this is something ekiri just mu foundation yaffe, tetwetaaga kuva ku buli kimu kye tubaale tukola mu okukola kino. So Blue 3 yo bweri kwe kuno kwe tuyita okuddingana. It doesn't mean nti buli omu agenda kuva ku kyakola.
As recent as last night, actually, we were finishing up something we're supposed to release.
Yeah.
So, we're taking your word. King herself, you're the king, yes. She's the king too, and her.
Yes.
Despite a bit of many lions in one leg, den.
Yes.
I have my project, I'm here, I'm CEO somewhere, and
Yeah.
you and her. She didn't get your confusion and separation.
Byaliwo before.
I think initially,
Yeah.
but right now, because also Tumazi Akaseranga, now we're back together, so it has eased everything.
Yeah, tuyize engeri yokukolagana. And then sometimes tulina abantu nga bw'olaba Larry, abantu abamanyi otugatta in a good way, but kati Blue 3 tukwate eno direction wenti. Like this show, the team that we're working with, like to really appreciate Larry Casual for making this easier for us every time, you know, like because he works with the brand directly. So about atuyamba in that way, nti brands of Sasigala nagamba we're taking this direction. So choyogedde kituufu is that it feels like having 3 kings in the same in the same arena, which is hard. 3 brands and 3 teams together. Si kyangu kyekyasinga n'otuliisa okukola kino. But we twakola reunion yaffe yasookera ddala twakitegeera nti you know what, kino tusobola okukikola. Yeah, so tuli bulungi. Kituufu.
Otulabyemu entondo. I think Blue 3 is Blue 3. Like when we come as Blue 3, enkofira ya Lilian ajijako as a solo artist or Jackie or Cindy, we become Blue 3.
Yes.
So when we do our own personal projects, that's when we, stand alone.
Yeah, ekisinga otulemesa okimanye ng'abakyala is just respect. And that's something that we have learned to do. Ate kati wano we tuli kyangu nnyo respecting Lilian ne Jackie olw'ebintu bye bazze bakola. You know, when you're young, so atulaninga nti I don't recognize Lilian's input in the industry. Nedda. So agamba Jackie talina kyakoze. You get it? So tewali position y'omuntu anyone here gy'osobola ozalawa. So there's that mutual respect eri makati awo era we tukolera. okyogeddeko nno bbanga ddene.
So long time. Actually, we don't even know the Christmas day.
Yeah.
Date it is.
Kuba tuba tukola ye.
Because we are old, we work. On those days, we don't spend time with family, we don't spend time with each other.
Yeah.
Maybe we can meet, because I've met with her on a show on 26th.
Yes.
And I've met with her on 26th, but we don't, together it's very difficult.
17th December,
Yes. Okay. Yes. That's true.
You can't ask something like that.
Then he added, Atenga Mukus.
You know?
Never call it.
Okay, let's take the world something today. From the blues, we need to remember this for the rest of our lives. Then
Yeah.
you get it. Lilian, how old are you?
Why are you playing around?
I'm 40. I'm 40.
We're all the same age.
That's when she stopped counting. Yeah, she said, I'm done counting.
Anyways,
Yes.
back to Kubyadala, we believe that economy of Uganda, if I came out, omuntu yenna nga alina ssente ze n'abagamba ngenda kuddamu bateekemu ssente bambere manager wammwe obambere ekimbulamu bwammwe nenjagala muddiŋŋane okay mubadde mukolagana ku bino shows ezimu wansi na bwayawo ofuna projects ezimu when Cindy gets a gig she knows you don't book me alone, you book us. Then Lilian Kyekimu Ebyo, can you guys say yes to that?
You mean like let's go of our solo careers and just do Blue 3? I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening.
Lilian,
Okay.
Jackie obaddewo okola performing scene
Munange nno weewuunya kati ffe okukolagana si kintu kya mawulire tujja ne twogera. Yes, it's not something we actually come and tell people. Lilian bw'aba neetaaga nkubiranga Cindy n'agamba Cindy jja mu studio yitako eno tulina kye tukolako nampita nenzija. Same thing as Jackie as well. It's not at that level mbu twetaaga okubuulira abantu mu kateesi Cindy akyaddeko mu studio mbu bakoze atya. No, we're actually there for each other.
Cindy can have a show.
Yeah.
Lilian can have a show, and then she's going to ask, are you guys going to
Are you free?
Can you come
Django
through?
Itewo, yes.
We don't have to stand out there and say, now we are doing this, we are doing that.
Yes.
Nobody has to come back, nobody has to do
So we're there for each other. Yes. We're absolutely working together, yes.
Let's go over Dechi.
Chayagala, Mama Lilian.
We're together.
together.
Yes, we're working together.
Oh, are you satisfied? Okay.
It's been a healthy one.
I don't know.
We
I
no
mean,
longer think about that.
I cannot tell you it didn't hurt us. It hurt us. Yes, it did. Yes, it did hurt us. Like, when you look at the journey, yes. Like, but between all that since then, not need all Rugendo, but there for each one of us individually. Everybody has gained. But your I discovering the year now against and it has benefited the industry in the world and at large. So we are past that moment. We are grateful to
It's part of growing up.
yes. Omanyi audiences are Blue 3. Ziri limited. They're limited audiences. Tubadde nabo for the last 25 years or so. So bakoze ku sente. It's not really an issue of money when it comes to working with Blue 3. So it doesn't really matter. I feel like tuna audience are fair and it's not something to twagala okuwe. Take home Blue 3 some people cannot afford. No, Blue 3 has its own kind of niche. At our tunina industry, there's nobody akwa product here Blue 3 right now. So Blue 3 is worth every penny because you're not going to get this sound anywhere in Africa. You're only going to get it here. So it don't matter.
Who decides on the closets?
On the?
Who decides on the closet? So I'm going to black all looking like we should do black. All we know is you just never go wrong with black.
Yeah, black is so easy.
But also, bochiraba nti nze ne Lilian ne Jackie bwe tuba nga twambadde as blue 3 is a totally different thing. Jackie waba akola yeye kuba nkola nze it's a different thing.